Hello, welcome to Art Scout. I'm Uni. We can buy a sketchbook easily, but we are art scouts who explore, discover, and learn art all around us. So today, let's make a sketchbook. I'd like to call a sketchbook as a drawing journal because we draw something to record on a sketchbook. If you use a DIY drawing journal, it will be very meaningful. Also, it is a good way to recycle for our environment. Let's get started. We need some paper. I am using 7 sheets of paper. You can add more if you want. My paper size is 8.5 by 11 inches. Yours can be smaller or bigger. Here is a sheet of thick paper for the cover. We need 2 or 3 staples, even we don't use a stapler. We need a ruler, a knife, and a pencil. And you might need a pin for making holes later. Fold each paper in half evenly and flat them with a hard object. I'm using a ruler to do it. Take each little booklet and stick them inside each other to form a book. It is time to make a cover for the book. Fold the paper for the cover in half. My colored paper is a bit bigger than booklet papers, so I will trim off the edges with my knife. I'm using 2 staples. You can use 3 staples if you want. We need to use a ruler and a pencil this step. Please measure and mark where you want the staples to go on the most inside paper. I'll remain 1.5 inches each end. I use a little pin to poke holes. And then I just took the staple and stuck it in the back of the book. Please flip it over and fold down the little arms of the staple. We need to trim the edges of the booklets. Please cut off the edge of the paper out of the cover. It is hard to cut through all the sheets of paper at once, so you should cut them off 1 or 2 sheets at a time. I will decorate a little bit. I'm writing down drawing journal and my name on it. You can decorate it with anything you want. Okay, we got a drawing journal, so I'm coming back with some drawing episodes next time. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!